What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the color of your taskbar in Windows 11. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to desktop and we're gonna right click on it. Then we're going to go to personalize, like so. And here at personalization, we're gonna click on colors. If we scroll down, you can see that we cannot use the accent color on start and taskbar. So to activate this option, all we have to do is to go to choose your mode and choose dark mode. Now, as you can see, we can use this accent color option. So we're gonna turn it on like so. Then from Windows color, we can choose what color we want to make our taskbar. And as you can see, our taskbar is now green, but we can change it in red, for example. You can see that it changed, or yellow. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.